Hello. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to all. How are you today, guys? Kumustang morning nyo? Kumustang araw nyo, guys? I hope you had a good day. So, ito pa tayo, guys. Let's have eat breakfast. Mm. Mm. Kain tayo, guys. Naku, ang daming ito. Breakfast, guys. Medyo nang lamig-lamig na yung ano natin. Kanina ko pa siya natimpla yung coffee, guys. So, yun. May bread na naman din tayo. Mm. Kain tayo, guys. Let's have it. Coffee. Kain, guys. Ito ang breakfast natin ngayon. Kain tayo. Let's have it. I hope you had a good